Welcome to the Outsellers channel. On this channel, we do code tutorials. Today, we're going to look at WordPress shortcodes. Here's a shortcode example from MemberPress, a very popular plugin for subscriptions. Now, what is a shortcode? A shortcode is basically a placeholder, um, a snippet of code that will render out any component or modules. It allows you to make dynamic websites very easily, and you can pass attributes into them. For example, this MemberPress shortcode is the account info shortcode, and it's telling to use the field first name, so it would print something like John. So we could put this on any WordPress page, and if we're logged in, we would see the user account's name. Some shortcodes are self-closing, like this one, and some shortcodes can be wrapped around content, like this, where you close it and you can put content in between it. This is a made-up example. You can create your own shortcodes, and today I'm just going to quickly show you how to make a very simple, bare minimum shortcode that prints the user email, because that's a good thing to do on many different websites. So let's just dive into it. Now, first of all, you want to be in WP content, themes, your theme, functions, PHP, that folder. You can also find this inside your WordPress dashboard by going to Appearance, Theme File Editor, and functions.php, theme functions. Okay? So the add shortcode function is what we're going to start with. And that takes two parameters. Now note that the first parameter is the name, and it can be called anything you want. I prefix my names because because that's good practice for avoiding conflicts with other plugins. The second is the function name, which also can be anything. Now this function does take two parameters, which are the attributes and the content. These are optional. These help you make things more dynamic, such as in that MemberPress example where we showed you field name was the attribute. Okay, so anything in between these two lines of code is what's going to get rendered. For example, if we just quickly render hello world, save this. We have our shortcode here in WordPress. Oh, there it is, hello world. Okay, now let's take this a step farther. Let's make an email. This should render my email. So I'm logged in. Yep, there's my email. Okay. Now this can be anything you want. It can be named anything you want. It can be used for all different sorts of purposes. Um, in my next tutorial, I will show you how to turn this into a more dynamic piece of code with attributes, uh, different WordPress native functions, and enqueuing JavaScript files.